Worried about hidden dangers in your home? In today's video, we're diving into the best carbon monoxide detectors to help you stay safe and protected. We post quality product reviews daily, so if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more trusted recommendations. Number 1. Kidde Nighthawk Carbon Monoxide / Explosive Gas Alarm. This Kidde carbon monoxide detector does more than simply sense dangerous levels of carbon monoxide. It can also detect the presence of explosive gases like propane and methane. Its digital display alerts you to real-time carbon monoxide levels in the home, while the peak level function shows the highest point reached since it was last reset. Since explosive gas detection is not immediate, occupants may smell gas before the detector goes off if they're awake. This model plugs directly into an outlet or can be installed up to 6 feet away with the included cord adapter. It also has battery backup to ensure it's functional even if the power goes out. In our tests, installation couldn't have been easier, as all we had to do was insert batteries and plug it in. Once installed, however, we realized we weren't big fans of the size. It's much bigger than the other plug-in models. Number 2. Kidde Battery-Operated Carbon Monoxide Detector. Reliable protection against poisonous levels of carbon monoxide needn't be expensive, and the affordable price of Kidde's battery-operated carbon monoxide detector makes it economical to install multiple units throughout the home. In testing, we found the beauty of the Kidde battery-operated carbon monoxide detector to be its simplicity. After inserting batteries and mounting the unit to the wall with 2 anchors and screws, this model was ready to go. This detector uses 2 AA batteries and has a handy lockout feature on the battery door to prevent it from shutting without batteries in place. Its 85 decibel alarm is loud enough to alert residents if it detects carbon monoxide, and it also has an audible low battery signal. This alarm from Kidde also has a built-in test button and 2 LEDs, green to indicate proper operation and red for dangerous levels of carbon monoxide. Number 3. First Alert CO600 Plug-in Carbon Monoxide Detector. Folks who'd prefer the simplest form of carbon monoxide detection should consider the First Alert CO600. This device plugs into a standard wall outlet. There is no need for batteries or hardwired connections, and its compact design and prong placement won't block both outlets in a double outlet. This model features a loud 85 decibel alarm to alert residents to the presence of dangerous levels of carbon monoxide. It has 1 button for testing and resetting and no digital display or extra settings, making it as straightforward as these detectors get. The C0600 offers bare-bones but affordable carbon monoxide detection, and the unit installs quickly and does its job reliably. Since this First Alert alarm has a test port in front of the sensor, we were able to use our can of faux CO to trigger it. The resulting beeps were loud enough to alert folks in any part of the house. Just be aware that this model will shut off if the power goes out, as there's no backup battery. Number 4. Google Nest Protect Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Alarm. The Nest Protect Smoke and CO alarm from Google is a great option for smart homes. It detects both smoke and carbon monoxide, and can alert you to a problem even if you aren't home. When the Nest activates, it alerts the app, the smart home system, and a central monitoring company. Being interconnect capable, it will also activate other smart alarm devices. The unit also provides voice alerts about the hazard and the room where it's detected. The Google Nest Protect was one of our favorite models to test. Its voice alerts are clear and easy to understand, and we even liked its cool yet unobtrusive appearance. It looks like a speaker. The base allows plenty of swivel, meaning users can easily align their Nest Protect with their home's walls for a clean, square installation. Our one complaint is that, despite easily adding this model to the Nest app, we haven't been able to add it to our Google Home app. Number 5. First Alert SCO5CN Smoke / Carbon Monoxide Detector. This unit is for you if you want a dependable, battery-powered combination smoke and CO detector. Since it's battery-only, the First Alert SCO5CN can be installed anywhere. Its base features locking pins to ensure the battery drawer stays shut and the batteries stay in place. This combo unit has a photoelectric sensor for smoke detection and an electrochemical sensor for carbon monoxide detection, both tried and true, reliable sensors. It has a test port. An arcane of imitation CO gas triggered its alarm during tests. Its loud 85 decibel beeping is sufficient to wake dozing residents. After testing multiple battery-operated units, however, this one initially threw us for a loop. Installing the batteries took a little trial and error, but we really liked this model once we figured that out.